So let's create an AI WhatsApp chatbot in just 5 minutes. So to do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and you're going to see that you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow first. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number till now, a video tutorial dedicated on how to add your WhatsApp number is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and add your WhatsApp number. After you add your WhatsApp number, from the left end of the side, go on this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow and open this window. Once you open this window, you have to select the AI instructions. So you can select any example right over here, or if you want to give a custom prompt, you can select the custom prompt too. I am going to select one of the example from here because I don't want to enter these instructions manually. If you want to enter these instructions manually, you can select custom prompt. Now you're going to see instructions are added. If you want to edit it, you can definitely edit it, otherwise keep it as same. Then you can set the temperature. So the temperature is how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer focused, and if you move it towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. I'm going to keep it as 0.2, select the AI to use and the model over here. Now for the API key, you have to open your OpenAI API key page and from here you can get your API key. I've already created my key, so I'm just going to paste it and click on this connect. Now this key is added successfully. Now it is saying AI assistant settings. You can set the header message and the footer message. Just switch it on and type your header and the footer message. For these top keywords, you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. The next is this retry attempt. So you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2. If for the fallback message, you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So you can do the settings according to yourself and move towards this knowledge source. Now over here, this is the main thing which is going to customize this AI chatbot for your business. So you have to enter the knowledge unique to your business in a Google Doc, go on this file, download and download this in TXT or PDF format. Then you simply have to upload the file right over here. And I'll suggest you that go for TXT format because for TXT, we do not have any page limit, but for PDF, we have page limit. If you use PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So yes, you can see I have successfully uploaded my TXT file right over here. It is saying one file uploaded successfully. So let's just select the same file and over here my file is uploaded. As you're going to see, we're going to receive the vector ID, the date and time, which is the proof of our successful uploading. And after uploading this, go on this assistant interface and you can change the interface right from here. You just have to change the details on the left end of the side, which is the heading, subheading and the rest of the details, and it is going to change on the right end of the side too. For the initial message, you have to type the initial message and then press enter, otherwise the initial message will not be added. And same goes for the display the powered by Pabbly label. You can enable and disable it directly from here. For the footer text and footer link, if you want, you can definitely add it. And for the user first message, you have to enter the message which will be sent from user towards you as the initial message, which is going to start this AI chatbot. Now let's move on further. For the styling, you can style this WhatsApp chatbot, be it colors, be it shapes. You can change it, add the background pictures and so on, and your AI chatbot is ready. You just have to switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI chatbot, and this AI chatbot is ready for you. Now what you have to do, this AI chatbot can be added on your website. You can go on this embedded and add the script on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Whenever user comes on your website, clicks on this button, this AI chatbot will appear, and when they click on this start chat, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this initial message which you selected will be sent from them towards you on WhatsApp. So you can send the WhatsApp message directly. So I clicked on this continue to WhatsApp web. It is going to open my WhatsApp web, and when I'm just going to send this message, you're going to see hey is written automatically. When I'm going to send this message, the AI chatbot is going to reply me within seconds and in real time and solve all my queries. So first of all, you're going to see that this was the reply which was automatically generated, and when I'm just going to ask the question, it is going to reply me within within seconds and in real time, exactly the same which we have entered right over here. Yes, after this, if you want to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, from the left hand of the side, you can go on this settings, go on this inbox settings, and you're going to see the option of this AI auto replies. From here, you can select the contact list, and the AI chatbot is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. With this, we have successfully learned how to create an AI chatbot in just 5 minutes. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on this, we have it on our YouTube channel. You can check it out. Go and try this AI chatbot. If you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials, to subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget to try this, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and the discount coupon code is attached right over here. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.